Welcome dear students, this is Shehzad Bajwa. Today we are going to install and configure C++ programming. Let's start. First of all, let's see what is dev C++. Basically, it's a software which is fully featured graphically IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment for C and C++ programming. Basically, it's a distributed software under the GNU General Public License for programming practice in C and C++. Let's start installing C++ program. You need to follow some steps. First step, you must download the dev C++ in your Windows machine. Visit and download this software from www.bloodshed.net. That is a destination software where you will find different packages of dev C++, but you need here dev C++ 5.0 version. Here you will find a complete package of dev C++ 5.0. Then click on download button. In step 4, this package will do download C++ exe file for your window. And then in step 5, you will direct to source website and it will start downloading automatically. In this process, click on save button to save. By default, it's a saved in downloads folder. After the download completes, go to the saved.exe file and click on it to run. The installer will ask you a language to select. Then select English language and click on OK button. Then screen for license agreement will appear. Click on I agree. Proceed further. In step 6, you can see different components of dev C++ that will be installed with this package. Click on these check boxes to select all of these boxes and click on next button. In step 7, by default the destination folder is drive C. You are free to change this destination folder, but make sure you have enough memory in this folder and then click on install button. Next screen, installation begins. Now dev C++ is installed successfully on your Windows. Select run dev C++ to run it and click on finish button. That's it. Now you are ready to compile your C or C++ programs with dev C++ compiler. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on my Facebook page Shehzad Bajwa. Thank you so much.